Welcome to the demo of CBT or computer-based test by eVal VSoftTech. First, we will log in into the account. The first thing that we will see is the dashboard where we can see basic account details and we can manage our profile and even change our password. The next thing is group where we can add students. We can add students by filling up their details and registering them. We can also register teachers and manage subgroups where we can add or remove students from a particular group. Next up is questions. We can manage courses and we can add courses. Let's take class 10th. Then we have subjects, topics and subtopics under this. We can add and remove these categories accordingly. Then we can manage questions. You can select the category and then view the questions that you've already added. You'll have the entire question bank available to you. You can also add questions, like you have different various question types. Let's take text. What is the value of escape velocity? And then we will update the answer here. Save. We can also import questions directly from MS Word. You can read the instructions from this page and upload the files from this. Next is the test module where we can create and manage the tests. We can publish the tests and assign it to students. Let's create a test. First we'll enter a test name. Then we'll choose the test category from the previous one that we had created. Choose the test type. We can have some settings like shuffle questions, show on screen calendar, enable proctoring and a bunch of other settings. Now we need to define the test duration, the test marks and the total questions, and then we can just choose the instruction template or we can just write it. Let's save. We now need to add a section, say section A, and we need to define the section marks and section questions as well, and also the template. Save and continue. Now we need to add questions, so we will select the category and then we will be able to view the question bank. From here we can pick and choose the questions that we want to add. Let's add these 3 questions and save and continue. So the test will be created. Let's finish the test. Now we need to publish the tests. This is the class A test we published, so let's click on publish. Here we need to select the students to whom we need to assign the tests. We can publish the test by defining the start and the end date, or we can just publish the test since now with 2 hours. Okay. We will log into the student account in order to attempt the test. Let's log in. Here we only have tests and reports available to us and all the tests that have been assigned. Let's click on class test 8 and start it. Here we have the instructions, and since this is a proctor test, we'll have camera monitoring. We'll enter the test. The test has loaded, and as you can see, it's a camera monitored test. We have section A that we defined, and then we have the 3 questions. Question 1, 2, 3, we can toggle between them. Let's start attempting. So the question 1, the answer is 2.2. Let's click on next question. Box A is heavier than box D. It's box A. We'll choose our answer. We can also refresh and just pick the question. Then we can attempt the next question, and let's answer this one as well. If we want, we can toggle between the question and change our answers if we like. There are some instructions you can mark for review. Let's submit the test. So we can also review the test, but let's submit it. As you can see, the test report loads as it is. We will head back to the report section in the admin module to see the reports. Here we can choose the group, and then the student will load. We can choose and see the reports. This is a detailed report. If we want, we can also see the full report of the student. We also have 3 reports ready for download, with detailed analysis. If we want, we can also see the proctoring results through the camera. Here we can select the student and see the user images in order to ensure that there has been no cheating. So this is how exactly we can conduct tests